In this question, what we are told that if we have the integral between 1 and a of 2x minus 1 squared with respect to x, now if that is equal to 57, what we have to do is to find the value of a. Now, by first inspection here, a lot of students would actually start to expand this bracket, deal with the integration of the expansion, get a cubic, and then have to pop in the value of a, etc. And you'll probably find that you won't get an easy answer. So what I want to do over here on the right hand side is just to take that integral separately. So 2x minus 1 squared with respect to x. I'm ignoring the actual boundaries on this, and I'm just going to integrate this on its own. And I'm going to do that through a substitution. I'm going to say let u equal 2x minus 1. So du by dx, well, that'll equal 2. And therefore du over 2 will be equal to dx. And now I can perform that substitution. So what I'll have is the integral. So u is 2x minus 1. So here we'll have u squared. And dx, well, dx I'm replacing with du over 2. So du over 2. Now we can integrate that. So u squared integrated will be u cubed over 3. And the 3 and the 2 multiplied would give me a 6. So I end up with u cubed over 6. And I know that u is 2x minus 1. So I've got 2x minus 1 cubed over 6. Now popping this back into this original integral here, what I have is the integral between 1 and a of 2x minus 1 squared with respect to x is equal to this over here. So it's 2x minus 1 cubed over 6. And that is between those limits of 1 and a. So now we can pop in these values. Let's pop a in here. So we get 2a minus 1. That's cubed over 6 minus. Let's pop 1 in here. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 cubed is 1. So we get 1 over 6. So 1 over 6. Now I know that this whole thing here is actually equal to 57. So let me just rewrite this. So I've got 2a minus 1 cubed over 6 minus 1 over 6. And I know that's equal to 57. Let's multiply both sides by 6 to eliminate this fraction here. So 2a minus 1 cubed minus 1. 6 times 57 is 342. Now we can add 1 to both sides. So 2a minus 1 cubed is equal to 343. Now we can eliminate the cube here because the cubed root of 343 is actually 7. So let's just pop in a line here. So we have 2a minus 1 is equal to 7. Adding 1 to both sides there, we get 2a is equal to 8. And dividing by 2, a is therefore equal to 4.